Alright, so now I'm going to start it up for you so you can hear it run. Alright, I'm going to show you one of the cars I've been working on. It's a 1962 Ford Falcon. Came into the shop looking kind of like this, to be honest, but it had no running drivetrain, needed a complete rewire. It was a stick, but the guy who bought it couldn't drive a stick because of a medical condition, so he brought it to me to update it and get it running. It's a really beautiful car. I actually really like it. I've never really worked on one of these, and it's been a pleasure. I've actually really grown to really like the body style and the style of the car. I'll show you a little bit of the interior before we get to the engine area. So these are the original seats that came in the car, which is super cool. And the original panels, door panels, all that stuff. Original ceiling. So some of the things that we added is he really wanted seatbelts. The car didn't even come with seatbelts from the factory. So these are seatbelts that go across versus just floor seats. He wanted to be able to have something to really secure himself, so we put in this roll bar. It's attached to the floor. Got a little brace here to really give it multiple points so it's strong and sturdy. And we got aftermarket steering system, so it's got the flaming river kit. Power steering was added to the car, so that's what this is. You can see our original knobs here were this off-white, and they were looking pretty rough, so I actually designed and 3D printed all of these knobs. And then when it came into the interior here, we made some changes. So when it came in, it had a gauge cluster, a gauge pod down here where these AC vents are. Obviously it couldn't stay there because we were also adding AC to the car. And so I designed this in CAD to sit right up on top of the dash here. As you can see, it's real bubbly. It kind of goes with the flow and the shape of the car. I really like how they turned out. We had our painter paint them, get them all coated. Looks beautiful. They all work. Down below, again, we got the AC installed. This car didn't ever come with AC, so the kit that we used was actually for a V8 Falcon and a newer one. And so what I did is I took the controller that's normally in the dash on the newer ones, and I built a 3D bracket, 3D printed bracket. The shifter, since we went from the manual to a 5-speed, we actually had to rebuild this whole tunnel, so I rebuilt this tunnel, and we put in a shifter here and built this whole thing in CAD so that it would fit the contours of the car perfectly. And I think we did a rock solid job. It turned out really good. And here you can see it's open right now, but this is the glove box. I actually redesigned the glove box. Since we have the AC system, it's installed behind the glove box, and the original glove box didn't fit. So what I did is I built a little controller to be able to house the controller for the Sniper EFI kit that we are using for the car. Right now it's out because we've been driving it around, just monitoring all the sensors and kind of getting it dialed in. And that's pretty much it from the inside. You can see there's one of the AC vents. Got AC vents over there in the middle, another one in the end. We also added courtesy lights, so there's lights that light up in the car when the doors are open. We rewired the entire car, so the car came with the original wiring and the glass fuses. It now has a modern Autowire kit, so it's been completely rewired. And I'll show you under the hood. Okay, so this is the engine. It's a 306. That's 302, just slightly overboard. Again, it's got the Holley Sniper EFI kit. So it's all been wired. It's the Sniper box. It's got heat, aftermarket radiator. Seems really good. Alright, so now I'm going to start it up for you so you can hear it run. Starts great. Fuel injection is pretty sweet. Flowmaster and dump tubes just before the axle based on what the client wanted. Sounds great. filter down below, AC controls. Looks like speedometer's not working, so I'll have to figure that out. It's got a sniper kit